Hi, I'm Tommy,
And I'm Cheri.
and together we do DIY at Waterfall Cottage.
Today we're going to be doing a Q&A so people get to know us better. I'm going to be reading the questions and we will both be answering the questions. So, question number 1, how long have you been working on your house?
5 years?
Since 2017. We bought it in March of 2017. Question number 2, what has been the hardest project so far?
Counters.
I think the back wall of the living room. We
Yeah.
had to lift the ceiling.
Yes, I'd say tearing out the existing exterior wall and replacing it.
Yeah, I mean, it's not every day you lift the ceiling.
No,
You
it's
lift
not.
the roof. Question number 3, where are you from?
I'm from Oklahoma.
And I'm from Texas. You want to expand on that?
No.
Okay. Number 4, where do you get your inspiration from?
Right there.
I come up with the ideas and he does them. And most of my inspiration is from TV shows, magazines, YouTube channels, other people's homes, books.
Yeah, we do watch a lot of fixer-uppers, and
Yeah, so that's where I get my ideas from. Number 5, how did you meet?
on Facebook. No,
Yes,
it wasn't a dating chat.
We met in a Facebook group. Number 6, when will you be finished with everything?
Well, let's see, I'm 54. Probably about the time they put me in the dirt. No, I would say probably, because we're doing them little by little. I would say probably in the next 5 years we should have it all done inside and out.
You think so?
I think so.
Number 7, whose idea was it to start a YouTube channel?
Yours.
That is correct. Number 8, are you full-time YouTubers or do you have jobs?
We both work. I work approximately 55 to 60 hours a week.
We're both in the automotive industry.
I run a store. She does accounting for her family.
I'm also a vehicle inspector.
Run that too.
Number 9, what has been the most satisfying project so far?
Most satisfying. Let's see.
I guess that means like, which one have you liked the most, or I don't know.
Satisfying was, I would say, it's a toss-up between our counters, getting our kitchen into shape to where we could utilize it, and then our entertainment wall.
The pallet wall?
The pallet wall, yeah.
Mine's the pergola.
Yeah, which we're sitting under right now. I wouldn't say that was satisfying to me.
No? Why? But I'm an outdoor person and you're not as much as me, and I like to sit outside. I like to have somewhere to sit outside, and there was no shade here, so this means I can sit out here and read a book now and not be dying in the heat.
True.
You're a recliner watching TV person, not a book reader, so
True.
that's the difference. Number 10, is there any remodeling job you would rather pay someone to do instead of DIYing it?
Yes. I hate plumbing.
Especially the kind he's doing today.
Plumbing is something I do not get thrilled about doing. And it's never any fun because, like within old houses, you fix one part the other part falls. Hence, that's what I'm doing today.
Under the house. Number 11.
Crawl space.
Do you guys ever argue over the projects you do?
I wouldn't say really argue. I would say more debate on
Discuss.
discuss about how it should be done, or why do I got to do this one?
Yeah, I don't think we argue about anything.
No.
We don't usually argue pretty much anyway, but we really don't argue over the projects. I think we both realize what needs to be done and we get it done.
Yep, I would say so too.
Number 12. Do you have kids?
Yes, we do. I've got. Oh.
I have 6.
Yeah.
My oldest is 32. My youngest is 20. 3 boys, 3 girls. We do not have any children together.
I have 1 daughter and 2 boys I adopted.
And they're all adults too. We're grandparents. Do we know how many grandkids we have? 6? 7?
6, 7.
Because Sam has 3. Kaylee's got 2. Tony.
Got 1.
And then Caleb.
Caleb's got 1. Yeah, 8.
So that's 7, right?
8.
Where did you get 8?
3, 2, 1, 7. Yeah.
Okay, 7. Number 13. How do you find time to do all of these things and work?
Once again, it's just you get home and you do little by little. I mean, it's taken me a while to finish up our counter, which I still got 1 piece I got to do. But you come home and you just do a couple things until it's dark enough or you get tired.
Number 14. What is your favorite home improvement show? You just said it earlier.
Mine's the Barnyard Builders.
Yeah. Mine's Maine Cabin Masters.
Even though I do like Chip and Joanne. They're funny.
You like Chip. Number 15. Where did you learn to do all of these things?
My grandfather taught me a lot. He was an iron builder, and then after he retired out of that, he did stuff for a judge, and I would go help him. Of course, I was an infant, a small one, and he would. I just learned from him, seeing him do it, and then as I grew up, my brother-in-law, God rest his soul, TC, he taught me a lot, from framing to finish work to electrical, plumbing, and then I learned a lot of the electrical side, also doing satellite and cable over the years, and pre-wiring houses.
And as for me, I learned just over the years doing various projects. Plus, I come from a drywall family. My whole family did drywall and construction, so I grew up on a job site.
Yep. It's been fun.
Okay, so that's it for the questions today. We want to thank you guys for watching and all of our subscribers.
Don't forget to like us and subscribe to the page. And once again, if there's anything that you want to ask us, please feel free to contact us, and maybe we can help you figure out what you want to do.
Bye.
Bye.
So I can edit out things, but you don't need to be cussing, and no cussing, because advertisers don't want to put their ads on things where people are cussing and stuff. Okay. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh, okay. So how should
Are
we
you okay?
how should we start it?
Hi, I'm Chip.
And I'm Joanna. Very funny. So we got to start it somehow. So how about this? You say, "Hi, I'm Tommy," and I say, "And I'm Cheri."
Okay.
And together,
We are Tommy and Cheri's DIY.
no. Of course, Rusty comes outside.
Hi, I'm Tommy.
And I'm Cheri. And together we DIY it at Waterfall College. Oh my God. And together we DIY it at Waterfall
And
Cottage.
stop.
Okay, first of all, remember that we have to look
Okay.
not at ourselves, but here at the little dot on the left-hand side. Because I think we're looking at ourselves.
All right, start over.
Well, I can edit out stuff.
Hi, I'm Tommy.
And I'm Cheri.
And together we
DIY it at Waterfall College. College.
take two, take three.
It's got to stop shaking. Okay, wait till it stops shaking. Am I the one making it shake?
You did when you slammed your hands